Voices echo in my mind, dark and light intertwined. Up and down I lose control, but I won't let it take my soul.